Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, the Aussie dollar's been going down pretty strong. We have a very obvious trend line right here that we have to pay attention to. It could possibly end up making a higher low and continuing up, or it could turn into more of an expanding type pattern and go down, make a lower high before it goes up. Either way, we should better recognize when that trend is over on shorter time frames. Going down to the weekly. On the weekly time frame, the trend is definitely still down. I mean, it looks like 1, 2, 3 down, looks like 1, 2, 3 up. Like I've been saying, normally that leads to either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down and then turn back up, or possibly 1, 2, 3 down, more is like something like this, like 1, 2, 3 down like that. So either way is definitely possible, so let's keep that in mind. Heading down to the daily time frame. So even on the daily time frame, we definitely did make a pretty strong move to the upside, but that doesn't really prove that anything is over. I think that the trend is definitely still down on this time frame, and we have to keep in mind that it could end up making 3 waves up and continuing the downtrend very easily. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour, it looks like a very clear 5 waves up right here, which is why I think this is either a wave A or a wave 1. To me, this looks like it's making an ABC of B or possibly an ABC of 2. That means that the next move would likely be either a C, which would probably go up to the 50, maybe 61%, and then turn back down in a big way, or it's making a wave 3, and if it is a wave 3, then it will go up, bounce from Fibonacci levels, not break any structure, and just continue the uptrend in a big old wave 3. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, to me, this looks like impulsive down wave A. This looks like corrective up. We might get one more little push up to finish off this wave B, and then later on go back down for a wave C. Like I was just explaining on the daily 4 hour time frame, I think that this is either going to be a B or a 2, and after this is complete, we should go up for either a 3 or a wave C. So definitely keep an eye on your fib levels. Keep an eye out for a possible end of a wave B and possibly a nice little entry to go short for the wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.